it's made us better people.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, sometimes you'd be in the supermarket and you'd see children playing up their parents, and you'd think, oh gosh, that mother's got no control. And then sometimes when you foster, you realise, with all the training that you're able to access, that it's not just a naughty child. That child could have ADHD, autism, whatever. It makes you more accepting, and it makes you more empathic towards other people's situations and experiences. Definitely made us better people.
Mm.
We don't tend to judge as quickly as we would.
No.
We're sort of less judgmental, and
we just want to make a difference for these children, because, you know, they're obviously here for a reason. They've had a bad start, and if we can make that just a little bit better, then I think we've succeeded.
Yeah. Sometimes each child's story is different, and each child's outcome is different. But knowing that they've been with us for a couple of years during that period, and they've experienced a warm, loving family home, sometimes is all you can do for those children in the moment.
Just giving them somewhere safe, yeah.
Yeah.